What's up, car lovers? Today we're diving into a machine that blends luxury, power, and pure driving thrill. The all-new 2025 BMW M6. BMW has resurrected this beast, and it's back with more bite, more brains, and a whole new attitude. If you've been waiting for a modern Grand Tourer that screams performance and sophistication, this one's for you. The first thing that grabs your attention? That aggressive, sculpted body. The 2025 M6 sits lower, wider, and sharper than ever before. BMW's signature kidney grille is still here, but this time, it's sleeker, more integrated, and flanked by laser headlights that cut through the dark like a blade. You'll also notice carbon fiber elements throughout the roof, diffuser, and side skirts are all designed to reduce weight and increase downforce. It's a perfect blend of performance design and modern elegance. Under the hood, the M6 packs a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, pushing out a staggering 670 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. That's a big bump from its predecessor, and it shows 0 to 60, just 3.1 seconds. Top speed electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but with the M-Drivers package, you can stretch that to around 190 miles per hour. It's not just raw power, it's precision. The xDrive all-wheel drive system with rear-wheel bias gives you maximum traction and complete control, whether you're carving corners or flying down the autobahn. Step inside, and it's pure BMW luxury. Merino leather seats with M-specific stitching, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, and a driver-focused cockpit that puts everything right where you need it. The curved 14.9-inch infotainment screen blends seamlessly with the 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, both powered by BMW's xDrive 9 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, voice controller, it's all here. And for the audiophiles, a Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system brings the concert right to your cabin. Driving experience A330. Cut to host driving or voiceover paired with driving shots. Host/voiceover. On the road, the M6 is a refined beast. You can cruise in comfort mode for a smooth, quiet ride, or flip it into Sport or Sport Plus and it becomes a fire-breathing monster. Adaptive suspension, active M differential, and carbon ceramic brakes mean this thing handles like a true sports car, despite its grand touring size. The 2025 BMW M6 is more than a comeback, it's a statement. It's for the driver who wants brutal speed, luxury comfort, and the tech to match. Whether you're hitting the track or pulling up to a 5-star hotel, the new M6 does it all, and it does it with style. What do you think? Has BMW nailed the formula with this new M6? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and test drives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.